Josh Jones. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, I would like to talk to you about 3 skill sets of daily method of operation that will better your performance on a daily basis in your business to establish yourself in the community as the go-to person for business advice and strategies. Stay tuned. Hello. My name is Joshua Jones. This channel was made to share my knowledge on 2 subjects, financial and spiritual freedom. That's why I named it Jones Random Knowledge. I share my knowledge of an internet-based business, how to live more and work less than 5 days a week. I consider my content a shortcut right to the point to save you time from searching and consuming useless info. If you are wanting to learn about content marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and more, then you have found the right place. This channel is for those who are future entrepreneurs or already are, people who want to start or grow an online business and desire time and money freedom as the results. I just wanted to share with you something I have learned. I am always learning. I share with my viewers the strategies I have learned. I actually use what I teach because it's proven to work. I am not trying to present useless info and strategies that are unproductive. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe and leave a comment below that you subscribed. This will let me know you did and I can reply to you. I learn, do, and then I teach. I will never say I am an expert. My success, my results are mine. It's time to start your own. I decided to teach you with slides, much like you would receive for a paid course. I await your feedback on the content. Let's begin. Too often in an online business, there is so much tasks to do. The reality is, the more tasks you focus on, the more time it will take to grow your business. I made this slide to give you a shortcut. I keep it right to the point. There's no filler for those that suffer from shiny object syndrome. If you do this every day in your business, you will be on track. Now you may be asking, why did I make this video? What is the point, Josh? Well, here it is. Too often in a business, there are people that are focusing on the wrong things. They're working on tasks, wasting precious time in a day on tasks that don't even mean anything for their business growth. They're too busy doing all the things instead of focusing on the things that matter to build their business, to build their brand, to get clients or customers into their business door. So I'm going to go over the 3 skill sets that you must do in your daily business. Alright, here we go. So the first step in the daily method of operation is lead generation. Now you may ask, what is lead generation? There may be some of you that already know what it is, but just in case you're one of those that are not able to understand what lead generation is, I'm going to briefly explain it. In every business, no matter if it's online or offline, you rely on customers to have sales in order to have a business. Otherwise, all you have is a hobby. And there is a process in order for you to get your customers through your door. If you were to think about it in a way of having a brick and mortar business, which means a physical location with a physical street address in a physical city, you would have a front door that your customers would enter in, and then they would have to go through the process at the end once they purchase something from you at your point of sale before they walk out. Well, the whole process digitally is they have a front door that they must go in. This is called the lead generation process. Now you may ask, what in the world? How would I even get a customer to come into my door? You want to provide content that they are looking for. They're coming to you for answers. And if you have the right answer, then you'll have their interest. And once you have their interest, you can then give them an option to opt in to an email list. And the best way to do that is to give away something free in exchange for their email. Then once they're in your email, you can send them auto response emails, which is an auto sequence of emails, however many days, however many duration of days in between each email that you decide, and what you decide to share with them in that process is what is known as lead generation. You'll never run out of customers as long as you constantly get them through your lead generation door. Now that could be through a video or a PDF that you give away for free. Basically what's going to happen is they're going to go to a landing page or a capture page, and that's where they're going to put their name and email address in. And then you will give them an opportunity to either opt in for your offer that you're trying to sell them, or they could leave and go somewhere else. However, they will be able to be contacted later on through the email. You never want to run out of new people. You will never stay in business if you cannot keep business, if you cannot keep audiences, if you cannot keep leads coming to you. So you must have an audience, and you must be able to grow through lead generation. So your focus every day should have some kind of lead generation process going. Your second daily method operation step is engagement. Once you actually have people on your email list or in your social media accounts, you want to chat with them. You want to reply back to them. When they post something, you want to go through their content, and you want to genuinely respond to their content. If you like something, share a like. If it's something that you have an interest in, go ahead and let them know that you like it and that you want to start a conversation and try to build relationships with those that you have decided to follow you on your social media account. And then of course, follow up with them. Your whole goal is to build relationships with people that are your leads, audience, and hopefully future customers. On a daily basis, you want to be able to spend time. I'm not going to give you the exact steps of how to follow somebody on social media. I can give you some examples of that in another video if you wish. You have to let me know in the comments below. I will say this though. There is a simple process to find targeted people that are in your niche that you can contact and you can follow up with on a daily basis and have a basic conversation with them and get to know them better. You can know what their needs are, what their desires are, what problems they're having in their life at this time, and solutions that you can provide for them once you know what those problems are. The third step in your daily method of operation is what is known as content marketing. Videos, text, audio. These three are the main that you want to have out there for people to consume. Now you may ask, well, why do I have to have videos? And the number one reason is because the videos are the most engaged content format. People are able to see you and hear you. It's almost like you're actually talking to the person, even though it's one-sided through the screen. And if you're not sure how to make videos, then I would suggest mostly practice. Practice even if you're not going to upload the video for the public to see. Now, this helps because when you do practice, you'll get better. The more that you do it, the better you'll get. and then you can go through the content that you practice with, and maybe you can make it public. You'd be surprised how often people will do jump cuts in their videos and use information that they used in videos as they practiced and use that as the final content. And anything that you try to get good at, you must do it repeatedly. Now, I would not suggest just do random videos and just talk about anything and everything in the video. I would have a structured script and just constantly go over the script and try to deliver the content, the valuable information that the people would want to click on your video for. It can be difficult starting out, but the more videos that you make, the better you will be. Now, the rewards are huge when you keep going. Confidence, instead of being afraid, is one of the rewards. There's a saying, and it's so true. Content is king. Without content, there's nothing to consume. And an online business is literally that. It's a place on the internet for content to be seen by your viewer, your audience. This is something that I came up with. I really don't know if it's a true saying, but it definitely makes the point. If you make it for them to watch, they will. Again, you have to make the content in order for the person to want to watch. I realize this video is short and right to the point, and to some people it may be obvious, it may be simple, but I wanted to share it because I believe if one person can get value out of this video, then I've done my job trying to teach those that I have learned. Now, there are other videos out there across the internet that you can go to and you can get better, more understanding of a daily method operation in other people's videos. But I strongly believe that if you are not doing these three, then you are wasting your time, precious time. Well, thank you guys for your time. I must warn you that at the end of this, in a few seconds, I'm going to switch over to my outro, and you may want to turn the volume down because it is louder than what my voice is currently due to not having a voice. Medically, I cannot help it, and I do apologize if this video was annoying for you or frustrating for you to hear me. I did try to amplify it the best I could in editing, but please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. I do encourage you to let me know if you have any kind of daily method operation that you do in your business that I did not mention. Go ahead and share it below. Maybe we can do a revision of a video of daily method of operations. Thank you for your time.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps to financial freedom. If you like this video, please smash the like button, or if you don't like it, smash the dislike. Leave a comment below to give me some feedback. If this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification to be informed when I make my next video available to you. As always, remember, be good to others because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.